to you real-time update from NaijaNews TV. Soldier forced to ground during Carter's funeral. A soldier was caught on camera passing out as former President Jimmy Carter was laid to rest in the nation's capital. Before Carter's motorcade arrived at the National Cathedral Thursday morning, a soldier in line formation was seen wobbling before collapsing to the ground. He lay there for a few seconds before receiving assistance. Fellow soldiers were seen dragging him away as they appeared to be non-responsive. The soldier's current state remains unknown. Carter, the 39th President of the United States, served from 1977 to 1981 and was widely recognized for his dedication to peace negotiations, democratic values, and human rights advocacy. Current and former President and Vice President gathered at Washington National Cathedral on Thursday for the funeral service of former U.S. President Jimmy Carter, who died at the age of 100 last week. Joe Biden, Donald Trump, Barack Obama, George W. Bush, and Bill Clinton were seated together in the first rows of pews. Vice President Kamala Harris, who lost the presidential election to Trump in November, and her predecessor, Mike Pence, were also among the selected group of politicians and members of the public paying their respect to Carter. Former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, who lost to Trump in the 2016 presidential election, was seen paying her last respect to Carter. In honor of the late Jimmy Carter, former President of the United States, who passed away on December 29, 2024, at the age of 100, the United States U.S. Embassy in Abuja and the Consulate General in Lagos, Nigeria, closed temporarily on Thursday, 9th of January 2025. As the first U.S. president to visit Nigeria, Jimmy Carter strengthened U.S.-Nigerian relations and supported Nigeria's democratic process. NaijaNews reports that the announcement was made on Wednesday via a statement released by the U.S. mission to Nigeria on its official X account. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.